This episode is going to show you guys how you can make money doing junk removal jobs without owning a truck, without owning a trailer, and starting from scratch. So before this video starts, click that like button, hit that subscribe button, and giddy up. The Quit Your Job series episode 4 is live. What's up, everybody? If you are a returning viewer, thanks for coming back. If you're new, you can start at this episode or you can click up here and you can see all the other ones that I've made thus far. And as you guys know, this channel is dedicated to showing you guys how I was able to become completely self-employed, all while not doing a pyramid scheme, selling Forex, or showing my titties on OnlyFans.
Not that there's anything wrong with that.
So the first thing I did was just hop on Thumbtack. They're the app that matches people wanting to get various jobs done around their house with the contractors. And then I pay Thumbtack and they give me the lead. So I got leads from Thumbtack and I sold them all on the same day. So in this episode, I had 2 leads in the same day, relatively close to each other. But why bore you by just telling you about it when I can just show you? So let's go. All right, everybody, it's Monday. Today is the no car or truck junk removal challenge. So I am at wonderful U-Haul right now. I've got 2 jobs today. I was just dropped off with my broom. No car. I'm ready to go rent a U-Haul and do the rest of this job today with no truck and show you guys that you can even make money without even owning a vehicle. Let's go. One of these big daddies.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
We're in the U-Haul. We're about 20 miles away. Not an ideal distance to travel in the U-Haul, but I wanted to show you guys that, you know, you can do it this way. If I did have my truck, which the challenge here today is showing you guys you don't even have to own a car to do it. And you can use U-Hauls until you decide you want to go full haul into it. But the issue is me not using my car means that I had to go to the U-Haul closer to my house. Thus, more mileage on the U-Haul, thus more cost.
I would like you to crunch those numbers again.
It's programmed. There's no such thing
Just
as
crunch them. Just crunch them, please.
crunch.
If I drove to a U-Haul closer to the first job, I would have driven those miles in my own car. But regardless, we'll be fine. First job's at 11. We're set to get there at about 11 on the dot. So giddy up. First job, the guy booked on Thumbtack, and he says it's 2 pickup trucks full. I looked at the photos, absolutely not. It's probably 3 or 4. So part of the game is getting there and being like, dude, you said this was 2 pickup trucks full? Absolutely not. So it's gonna cost more.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. So we'll see how that goes. There's a little bit of negotiation and haggling along the way. But when you're out there, it's typically like you can come to an understanding easier because both of you just want to get it done. But anyway, I will let you guys know when I get there. Woo! All right, job 1, 3:15 booked. Kind of an ugly job. It's outside. It's all been sitting there for a while. I hate that because I'm always afraid a spider's gonna bite me. But 3:15, I feel good about that. So let's go check it out. So we've got this pile of branches and stumps. Kind of a daunting looking pile, but it's a lot of grass too, so it shouldn't be too bad. And then this pile of trash here. This little sandbox. Not really sure what it is. And then a broken down fridge and a mattress. I'm gonna try to get it done in under an hour. Beautiful. Well, death, taxes, and my camera dying in the middle of a job. So we'll move on here. But come on, give me a break, man. I'm a struggle YouTuber. I'm a SoundCloud rapper of YouTube right now. I don't even have 100 subscribers. I can't afford to invest in this fancy camera equipment, man.
There's no possible way that we can pay that, so what do we do here?
I mean, this is a 26-foot monster filled to the end. Let's see how long it takes me. I forgot my broom. And unload. All right, 3:45. I am done. I'm in line right now to weigh out at the dump. I unloaded that thing actually pretty quick, probably like 30 minutes or so. And I even borrowed a guy next to me's broom to wipe out the U-Haul. So let's get this dump fee paid. This is the dump fees for both jobs. I stuffed both into the U-Haul. I'm gonna return the U-Haul and then I'll tell you guys how much I made in about 4.5 hours, 5 hours of work. All right, the day's over, we're done. Here are the final numbers of doing junk removal without owning your own vehicle. So I paid $115 for the U-Haul, but keep in mind, I drove quite a bit of mileage for that. So the U-Haul costed $39 a day and then 79 cents a mile. And then after fees and taxes and everything else, it was $115 for that. If you're doing jobs closer to your house, that very well could be $60. But I wanted to make the video and I just did it on a day where the jobs were kind of far away, because even then it still is profitable. So $115 for the U-Haul. And then I had to refuel the U-Haul and I spent $43 there. And then the last thing was the dump fees. And the dump fees were $22.83. So let's do the math. $115.17 for the U-Haul plus $43.10 to refuel it, plus $22.83 in dump fees. Subtract those expenses from the $532 of income we had on this day. So that's the 2 junk removal jobs, and then I dropped off a fridge that I got from the first job to the scrapyard and got $12. At the end of the day, $350 profit doing junk removal without owning a truck out of the back of a U-Haul, while still putting a lot of distance on the U-Haul. Now, I know $350, it's not 7 figures worth of passive income that you can get by, you know, having 5 of your friends recruit 5 of their friends, and then you guys sell 5 of their friends flat tummy tea.
It's not a pyramid scheme. It's not even a scheme per se.
But this is actually sustainable and something you can really grow, whether you want to do it on the side or also actually grow it as a business like I'm doing. And then finally, for you guys following along on the Quit Your Job series, getting the weekly updates, last week I went to Orlando with my girlfriend from Wednesday to Sunday. Hello, gentlemen. So I only worked 2 days last week, so the update's going to be really quick and concise. So Monday and Tuesday, I did 4 jobs total, 3 on Monday and 2 on Tuesday, and I made $1,231 over those 4 jobs. So we're starting to get a little bit busier, and we're starting to get a little bit more profitable because we're starting to be able to charge a little bit more on jobs because we have more leads coming in from the Google ads and Thumbtack that we had talked about in the other videos. So I was pretty pleased with that number going into a vacation, only working 2 days that week. But now that I'm back in the great state of Arizona, it's time to get back on the horse and back on the grind. If you're still here at this point, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. YouTube says that 85% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribers. That's wrong.